In this video, I will show you how to reset Steam passwords. To get started, what you want to do is actually open a new internet browser, and from here you want to come across to the official Steam website, which is store.steampowered.com. Once you're on the website, if you come up to the top next to the install button, you're going to see the link to sign in. Give that a click and that's going to take you to the sign in screen. And from here, if you look underneath the blue sign in button, you're going to see a link which says help, I can't sign in. So what you need to do is give that a click. From here, you can come up to the top on the next screen and select the option which says I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now, what you can do from here is enter the email address or phone number which is linked to your Steam account. And once you've done that, you want to click the I am human verification and search, which is going to locate your account. Now, once your account has been located, what's going to happen is Steam is going to send you an email with a confirmation link. When you actually click that link, you'll be taken through the steps where you can actually reset your password. So this is, of course, a very useful process if maybe you've forgotten your password or you just simply want to reset or change your Steam password. So that's how to reset Steam password. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.